Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what's the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, HS Nifty is trading 40 points down. Dow Jones and Nasdaq is also considerably down. So Nasdaq is flat. And so Wall Street rebounds at open. China names is as Fed gathers. So as you all know, now there is a now there is China Evergrande issue going on, which is the largest real estate real estate scam. So we will look about that in a different video, but that is actually creating issues around the world, and that is the global cues are bit 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 shaky, or what we say is there are also other news like delta variant rises. So all these are creating some sense of fear in the investors mind. As you all know, our market is also on top. So all this are, causing that, creating a panic in the investor's mind that is it a bubble? The bubble is going to burst because of due to this China Evergrande issue or Delta variant issue. So all these are getting in mind, and that is the reason. There is a fall happened on Friday and also followed by today. So coming back to our market today our market, you can see, let's look at. So coming to our market today, made a fall of almost close to 17,336 and then bounced back from there. So as we saw on last Sunday video, this is the trend line or the channel it is currently in, and this is the support line which I have found, which is 17,370 levels. So today exactly at these levels bounced back. Nifty bounced back. So earlier the resistance, now again a support. So on Friday it made a shooting star pattern, but today it opened with a gap up, but then it could not sustain, and then it fell down almost close to 17,332, but bounced back again from these levels. Let me show you on the 1 hour chart. Yes, it bounced back from these levels, exactly these levels, and it is almost touching the trend line resistance as of now. So tomorrow, what is the trade setup? Let's see. So this is the trading range happened today. So what we can expect from tomorrow is, again, market took support from here. Now as of, if we see like Dow Jones is actually broken this trend line support. Now currently it is standing at below the trend line support. Again a shooting star pattern is there, a pressure is there, selling pressure is there. So if it is trying to fall, then I think 33,431 would be the next support levels. If it breaks it, 33,581 levels. So in that case, we may open in red. But the what is my prediction on this? So I am expecting Nifty may open in, flat or mild negative, but it will rebounce back to 17,800 levels. So this is my expectation. So from here, I am expecting it took a clear support here. It started, the short covering happened today. Let's see in the option chain also. See 17,550, 500 levels. When it fell close to 17,300 levels, then you can see the support levels have increased. You can see 70,300 is having huge volume, and almost 63,505 contracts are there. 17,400 is having 73,680 contracts. 17,550 is having 15,861 contracts. A considerable amount of change in open interest has happened in 17,500 levels, and in 17,500 you can see call and winding has happened. 17,600 call and winding happened. 17,650. So all these are short coverings. So short covering has happened today. I am expecting market or Nifty should bounce back to 70,800 levels before Friday, and then a steep fall is there for almost 300 to 500 points fall will be there for sure. But before that, market will rebounds to 70,800 levels or maybe to the upper end of the trading channel. So coming back to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, as you all seen, it had closed decisively above that the all-time high on Friday. Yesterday it made a fall. Today, see exactly this is the support line and it took support around these levels. And you can see a spinning top has been formed. So this is clear indication that market is still bullish. It is taking support around that the previous resistance and again recouped back to the levels. But you can see comparing to Nifty, let me show you. So comparing to Nifty, it is a strong hammer candle. Comparing to Nifty, this is a spinning top because there is a fluctuation is happening. I mean like volatility is more. See, this is obviously because there are issues due to this Evergrande issue in China. So markets around the world, all the financials are getting, I mean like getting affected due to that. So this will be obvious that Bank Nifty will be having some volatility around sometime. But it is still bullish. Anything below these 36,800, 36,700 levels, that should be considered as a these levels. Sorry, 36,000. Yeah, 36,700 levels. Below these levels, then that should be considered as a negative zone. If it's fall below this 36,200 levels, these levels, then that should be market is in bear zone. Coming back to Nifty, if it falls below 17,000, let me show you, 17,200 levels. Below 17,200, then market is like Nifty will be in bear zone. So until that, any fall towards this area should be considered as a buying opportunity. So now market will try to retest the upper end of the channel, or it may touch here, then it may fall back. Then again, if it fall, then it may take support around this trend line, or it may break and take support around this. Once it decisively breaks this zone, then that should be considered as a 70,250 levels. If it breaks that level, then that should be considered as a bear zone or bear territory. So until that, market is still bullish only. So let's look at the Bank Nifty option chain. 37,200 levels is the closing today. 37,293, which is almost 37,300 levels. So for 37,300 levels, 33,302 contracts, support 14,597. So the highest support, I mean like the huge support is around 37,000 levels. The resistance is at 37,500 and 38,000 is having the highest resistance on the upside. So market is bullish. You can see call unwinding has happened. These are all, it is very clear that short covering has happened today. So tomorrow I am expecting market to be bullish, or since market had all the I mean like all the I mean like movement today, maybe I am expecting tomorrow there should be a consolidation happening for tomorrow around these levels. Show in 1 hour time chart. Maybe a small consolidation may happen for tomorrow because all the action happened today. Maybe tomorrow is a sideways day, and Friday, Thursday, maybe market breaking up again, and then after Friday, there should be a profit booking getting on. All this I'm expecting in this week only. So let's wait for that. Today, we made a clear bottom fishing on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here, exactly at 17,350 levels, we took 17,400 call option at 93. At the end, till the end, we were holding till 194. Coming to Bank Nifty, exactly at 37,000, 36,500 levels, we took 36,400 levels at 410, and exactly we closed, I mean, like still holding around 900 levels. So a huge capture today. We almost captured 500 points in Bank Nifty, and Nifty we captured around 100 plus points. So 600 points we had captured today. It is a fantastic day for Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So tomorrow I am expecting a small consolidation, and that should give you a breakout on Thursday and Friday. There should be a profit booking coming because there is a sense of fear around the or a panic around the world. So all these are creating the investors' mind that this bubble, or is it a bubble, or this may burst sooner. So anytime there should be a profit booking coming, but that should not be not more than 500 to 300 to 500 points. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. Let's look at what is the uh, FID data. FIA had bought for 1041 crores and DA had bought for 2167 crores. So both are highly bullish in cash market. So that's all, guys. That's all for today. Hope this information is helpful to you. Yesterday I did not post any video since the view is same. So exactly that same thing have worked today. I mean, like the Sunday view was working today. Market made a downfall today. Exactly took support around the levels mentioned, and then boom. So hope this information is helpful to you. And if it is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Good night. Bye.